Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we install the branded sign-in page template and explore its contents. To install branded sign-in, head to the Templates section from Admin Home. Then use the search function. Select the template. The window provides a brief description, features, usage, and contents. Using this template, you can create a great first impression from the moment your users land on the platform. When ready, select Install. Once installed, head to the Pages section from Admin Home. Check out the sign-in page. This has been branded for Applaud, but with a few adjustments could be ideal for your brand. You may just want to change the page background image, or you could play around with the layout and even add some additional content. The choice is yours. Check out the changes we made. The template also adds the sign-in modal page. This is a sign-in page which appears when a user attempts to access a page that requires them to sign in. This is what the page looks like under the hood. Here you can make any changes to fit with your organisation's needs. Here's what we did. When you're happy with your changes, head to the Settings page. Here we can set these pages to default. Under Anonymous, select Sign In. And under Sign In page, select Sign In Modal. Then select Update. Congratulations! You have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.